Passcodes are used in our everyday life as a form of security, as only the people who know the passcode can have access to that information or area. However, are they the most secure or effective way of ensuring such security? For example, using fingerprint scanning is much easier as you don't have to remember or enter the same passcode each time. Fingerprint scanners can also be more secure as it is extremely difficult to replicate fingerprint patterns or to fool the fingerprint scanning devices. Currently, fingerprint scanners are primarily used to unlock phones, but this area of research is incredibly important as it can open up more applications in the future. So, how do fingerprint scanners work? Fingerprint scanners generally use small electrical devices known as capacitors that are able to store or release charge. Our skin has different electrical properties than air and so interacts differently with these capacitors. When we place our finger on the scanners, capacitors that come in contact with the ridges within our fingerprint get discharged, whereas capacitors that come in contact with the valleys in our fingerprint do not get discharged. Based on the location of these capacitors and which capacitors are left charged or discharged, a map can be built up to know exactly where the ridges and valleys lie. Complex pattern matching algorithms are then applied onto this map to locate small details within the fingerprint known as minutiae. It is these minutiae that are actually stored rather than the entire fingerprint. And in order to keep this information safe, it is kept separately on the physical chip within the mobile phone and it cannot be accessed outside of when the fingerprint scanner is used.